Hello everybody, welcome to Code Invasion. In this video, we'll learn how to create this amazing stroke text effect using HTML and CSS. Let's get into it. So, to get started, we'll open a folder in VS Code, and inside that file, we'll create an HTML file which would call index.html. We'll generate our boilerplate code. Let's change the title to stroke text effect. Good. Inside our body, we'll simply create an h1 tag, and inside the h1 tag, we'll place the text stroke text effect. Let's open our file using live server to see what we have. And boom, there we have it. We see our text rendered in the browser. Alright, so let's split the browser. Let's split the screen between the browser and our text editor. The next thing we'll do is to create our CSS file. Let's call it styles.css. Now, having created our CSS file, we would have to link it to our HTML file. Right beneath the title tag, we'll link our styles.css, our style sheet. Now, let's head over to our style sheet to style our text. The first thing we'll do is to remove every margin and padding. So we set our margin to 0, padding to 0. We also set the box sizing property to border box. Next, we'll move to the body. And with the body, for the meantime, we will set the background color to black. Then we'll set the weight property to 100%. The height property to 100 viewport height. We'll then display flex and set the align items and the justify content properties to center. Good. Alright, now if we comment out this line of code here, we'll see that the rest of our styles here simply positions our h1 element in the middle of our screen. Alright, so we'll come back to uncomment this code very soon. Now let's move to the h1 text itself. For the h1 text, the first thing we would like to do is to give it a font size of 80 pixels. Good. Then we'll set the background image, right? We'll set the background image to linear gradient, and we are going to give it 90 degrees. The first color we use is FF00D2. Our second color is FED90F. Our third color is 00A2FF. And our final color is 09F1B8. Good. Beautiful. We have a very beautiful color spectrum here. And the next thing we'll do is to set our background clip to text. Okay. So quickly hit Alt Z, and then we'll set the background clip to text. We'll be using the WebKit text stroke width. So we set the text stroke width to 5 pixels. The next thing we'll do is to set the text stroke color to transparent. So WebKit text stroke color to transparent. Beautiful. All right, let's give it a little bit of letter spacing, right? So that we can space out the letters a little bit. Letter spacing of, let's say, 8 pixels. Good. We see the effect over there. Now, let's uncomment this code. Boom. And there we have it. Our stroke text effect. Let's open the browser. Let's maximize it. And we have the beautiful stroke text effect using HTML and CSS. So there we have it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding, guys.